how to add blog list, gadget, widget, layout on your website on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Blogger. This is the dashboard as you can see. Now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just follow with me please. First step, click on layout and then choose the place on your website that you want to add it to. I'm gonna choose sidebar bottom, click on add the gadget, and then scroll down until you find blog list. Click on it, and congratulations, right here you can add the title, the sort, and all those informations. Then click save. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.